out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to wrap my bow on my first gift. I actually did this gift Friday night, and I couldn't find my ribbon. I could have sworn I bought ribbon already, but I have no clue where I put it. So I got this one from Target. So pretty, it matches the wrapping paper. And I get a lot of questions on how I get this wrapping paper to stay, because using regular tape doesn't work. So I have to use duct tape. It looked terrible on the bottom, I know, but this going to family, they ain't gonna care. So they're not gonna see that part, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just tie the bow, and it's gonna look really pretty. This is the bow. It's not the best bow, but it looks really pretty. So we're gonna put this one under the tree. Looks cute. Okay, so I did go pick up my water flosser earlier today. This is the one that I chose. This is the brand, and this one has a rechargeable battery. And I got it in the color black. I think they had gray, white, and black. And then these are the floss threaders that I was telling you guys about. Ooh, I bought 2 packs of those. They didn't have these in Walmart, so I found them at Walgreens. And they were like $5 each. And then the water flosser was I think about $45. So yeah, I got my stuff, y'all. And guess what finally came in the mail? I've been waiting on these things for weeks. I got y'all on a box, so it's probably a little shaky. hope I like the way these look on my feet. But y'all know I've been wanting these forever. I just think they're so cute. So yeah. I got them from ASOS. So cute. I really like these a lot. I'll try on one just to see. It feels so comfortable. It feels so comfortable. Of course, I would have to, you know, string them up and stuff like that. But they look cute. Have a look in the back. Yes, love these. Super comfortable. I got a size 9. And they're not too tight. So I like these. Yay. Converse sign is right there. Can y'all see that? So yeah. Yay, I'm so happy. So we're in the town center because I need to go to Sephora because I'm out of foundation. I don't like the way my makeup looked today.
Okay,
it looks a little ashy. Go ahead, baby. Cute self. She looks so cute. Yeah, I would show y'all this girl. I would show y'all this girl. She looks so cute. Y'all know that gothic look, but the ones that do it the cute way, that's how she looks. She's so cute. But anyway, I'm going to Sephora because I need some more foundation because I'm all out. And Ryan's here.
What's up, ladies? You know, what's good?
So, this is the one that I wear, but I don't know if they have it. The New Caledonia. I don't see it. Oh man. Good morning, y'all. So it is the next day and I'm on my way to the gym. I'm gonna work out for an hour. I've already taken my pre-workout, so I'm a little itchy. So it's time for me to hit the gym up. I have been doing my weights like I told you guys. So the day before yesterday, I did upper body, and yesterday I did lower body. So today I'll be doing upper body again. I'm gonna do an hour cardio and just do some arm curls, some back rows, that little machine where you pull down. Girl, I don't know the name of the machines. I know the back row is the one that you sit on the bench and you kind of pull both arms like this. I need to do some tricep kickbacks, I think that's what it's called. So yeah, I've been sticking to it. When you start doing them weights, that's when you really start seeing like the body just start popping. So that's what I'm doing today. On my lips, if you guys are wondering, I am wearing my Summer Fridays lip balm. This is how it looks. It's from Sephora. I know some lip products make your lips peel. This doesn't do that. I've been using it like every day, all day. So I think this is my new go-to lip butter for right now. My mouth is feeling great. Thank you for everybody that's been asking. I'm still a little sensitive to cold and hot. I don't know how long that's supposed to last, but I'll get through it. So I just can't eat my food like super hot, and I don't really eat like ice cream and ice and all that stuff like that. I drink my water room temperature, so that's not an issue. I do drink my wine still. I've been worried about my teeth staining, even though I have the porcelain veneers that's supposed to be stain resistant, but if you don't take care of them, they will stain. So I've been brushing my teeth, flossing, just doing the whole nine. It's been a lot, okay? But yeah, so I'm gonna go to the gym, and then the light that I got for this camera from Best Buy from Mr. Kodak himself, I'm taking that back, girl. That is food. I do not like the way it looks. It just looks like I have a flashlight shining on my face. It's ridiculous. Okay, so I'm taking that back, get my $80 back. I need to do some Christmas shopping. I want to get some stuff to give away. I will be announcing the giveaway winner for the first gift, and then I think next week, maybe like every day up until Christmas, I'll do a giveaway. I got that idea from the Betty twins because I just watched their last, I think it was Vlogmas Day. What's today's date? I think it was Vlogmas Day 15, and they mentioned that that's what they were going to do. I thought that was a really good idea, so I said I'll do the same thing. So I don't know what the prizes are going to be just yet. I might do some gift cards. I might get some fragrances. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do some giveaways. You guys might not receive them on Christmas, and I don't have Cash App, so I would have to just mail stuff to you guys. So you would have to give me your address. Send me that Addy. So y'all, I made it back from the store, and y'all look how beautiful these flowers are. Like, what? Look at this. So pretty. This is perfect for the holidays. I got these from Fresh Market. So pretty. I could not leave these behind. They were like $30, but so pretty. Oh no, my bad. $50. Excuse me. Oh gosh. I got 2 new wines to try. So this is a Pinot. It's called Imagery. So I'm gonna try this, and then I'm trying this one. This is a Cab. So I'll let you guys know about those two. And then I bought some of these little corn chips. I buy these every single year from Fresh Market. Little Christmas colors, so cute. Because I'll probably make like some nachos or maybe like some queso dip or something this weekend. So we're gonna use these, get us in the Christmas spirit.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Such pleasure do you bring me.
And then Ulta, I found my foundation. So this is the foundation that I use, and I am in the color New Caledonia Dark 2. And then I picked up some of the Tarte concealer, the Double Duty Beauty Concealer. And I got the color Rich Sand. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. Rich Sand. So this will be my first time trying it. So hopefully I like it, but this is how the color looks. It looks really pretty. And then I picked up 2 butter glosses. My favorite one is the Butterscotch, the NYX Butterscotch. Like this. And then I wanted to try the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Honey. So I bought the little small one. So I'm excited to try this one. So it's the translucent Honey. Because I've seen a few girls on YouTube that said they've been trying this one and they really like it. So I'm gonna give it a try. Y'all know it's the cute little mini one. I'm getting ready to make myself some lunch. I think I'm gonna just do some lobster bisque because I have some more in there. So I'm gonna do some lobster bisque. I still need to plant my new plant. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.